Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's jumping it. Hello, fans, and this is Race Driver Grid, the game. And he's crashed already. He's into the tyres.
No more.
He's in the wall, but he's on the power. He's doing 70 miles an hour. You madman!
Yeah, he's Bubba's boss.
Where are you going, you madman? Oh dear, you crashed. I don't think we've got any crew chief. Hello. Hello people, how do you do? Go. Floor it! Don't crash, don't crash. Okay, crash. Notice we are going the right way because you could go the wrong way and you still wouldn't crash. Oh dear. Oh dear.
I went somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh dear.
I don't care. Bye bye.
Whee!
Oh my god!
Everybody shall die.
Bye bye.
You flipped him, he's stuck upside down.
Yeah.
Good, good.
I feel the level. I know. It's true.
Whee! Let's go the right way. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
This is crazy.
Oh no! Oh no!
Prepare to die.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh dear, you crashed. Well done. I zoom in. No, get it with the tires rolling away. I'll zoom in. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Here we go. Yes, they are clashing, we know. Oh dear. Oh, you flipped it. You've beached it, you've flipped it. Are you going to be still? Yes, you're still going. Oh no! James, I don't think this is exciting in terms of crashes compared to the normal circuits, do you?
No. But hey, it's fun.
Yeah.
I like killing people. I like this guy in front of me.
Where's the guy in front of you? Oh, there he is. Go and kill him. Kill the people. Kill the purple people.
Yeah.
Kill him! Well done. You plonker. You meant to kill him, not yourself. You've got 3 flashbacks. He is rewinding time. He's the rewinding time master. Oh!
Goodbye. Yeah. Good night, Mr. Pony.
It's time to take you down. It's time to take you downtown. This way you're going downtown to get some garden furniture. They're going downtown. Oh dear, you crashed again. Oh,
Hopeless.
yes you are.
Thank you. Thanks for the positive support, Batman.
Yes, I'm Batman. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh dear, you're into the sandbag.
Please die.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh yes. Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh holy moly! Oh holy moly!
Where's everybody?
Where's holy moly, people? I bet you killed them all. Because you can kill them all on this. You can kill them all.
I believe I have.
No, you haven't. Otherwise, you've been overtaking them. So there's still some people racing. Look at your map, you madman. Yep, there's still people racing. Oh dear.
That's why I was keeping up.
Oh, you missed. Get him! Get him! Yeah, no. Floor it! Drive into them. Yeah, you flipped him.
And I hurt myself.
This is your final flashback. I'm zooming in. Watch the flip again. Do the slow-mo flip. A boom! Right. Press square. And don't hit him, otherwise you'll crash. Oh dear. Drive! 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 Oh dear. Ah! You flipped it! You flipped you got it back on 4 wheels, but you're stuck. You're stuck behind the barrier. You got through the barrier. Oh dear.
My car's at a green angle. Die. Someone's dying.
Nobody's dying. You are dying now. Whee! Oh dear.
Ow. I believe that was
He's turning in. He's losing it. He's still going. He's going over the jump. Oh dear. He's in the wall. He's in the barrier. He's spun it. You've got a piece of barrier all over the track.
Get him.
Die! Kill him. Go and kill him. Dum bum bum da bum bum da bum.
I've got full control of this man.
Yes. Kill him. Oh, you missed. You killed yourself.
No.
That is the end of your